probably heard the term Agentic AI thrown around lately. It's the new hot phrase in boardrooms, investor decks, and tech conferences. And let's be honest, for most people, it sounds like another layer of AI jargon. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to break it down clearly, simply, and practically. What Agentic AI is, how it works, why it matters, and how to spot the difference between real potential and all the hype. No technical rabbit holes, just what you need to know. I'm Akhil from Monetizely. Let's get started with a clean definition. Agentic AI is artificial intelligence that can act on its own, not just give you information, but actually take action to help you accomplish a goal. So, what does that mean in plain English? It means you are no longer just getting suggestions from AI. You are able to delegate real tasks. Think of traditional software like a calculator. You input numbers, it gives you a result. Generative AI, that's like a brilliant assistant who can write or explain things, but only when you ask. Agentic AI, that's like hiring a virtual employee. You give it a goal. It figures out how to get it done. And it keeps working in the background while you focus on something else. Here's an example. Let's say you tell an AI, I need to cancel my meeting tomorrow and reschedule with everyone. Now, if it's generative AI, it might say, hey, here's a polite email you can send everyone. But if it's agentic AI, it does a lot more. It opens your calendar, finds the meeting, checks who all are attending, suggests 3 alternative times, sends the email, tracks the responses, and once everyone agrees, it reschedules the meeting automatically. That's the difference. Not just helping you think, helping you act. So, how does it do that? Most agentic AI systems follow a 4-step process: perceive, reason, act, and learn. Let's go through each one. Number 1, perceive. The AI gathers information from whatever systems it has access to. Calendars, emails, CRM, websites, APIs, database, wherever the data lives. 2, reason. Then it figures out what needs to be done. It breaks down your request into smaller steps. For example, reschedule the meeting becomes check who's invited, find new times, send messages, and track replies. Number 3, act. Here's where it gets interesting. The AI doesn't stop at suggesting what to do. It actually executes. It makes changes, sends messages, updates the records, triggers workflows. This is what makes it agentic. And number 4, learn. Finally, it observes what happened. Did the action succeed? Was there an error? Did people respond positively? It adjusts next time based on what it learned now. And then the cycle repeats. That's how the AI gets smarter. Not just by reading more, but by doing more. Now, you might be wondering, where is this already happening? Let's take a few real examples. In customer service, agents can now go beyond chat responses. They can process returns, issue refunds, update the CRM, and notify the customers, all without human involvement. In legal, companies like Harvey AI have built agents that draft contracts, manage red lines, research legal precedents, and even recommend negotiation points. In finance, agents can review the transactions, flag anomalies, and prepare audit-ready reports, reducing weeks of manual work to minutes. In HR, agentic AI can onboard new employees, schedule sessions, send policy documents, track the form submissions, and escalate any delays. Now, in each of these examples, we're not talking about tools that help humans work faster. We are talking about AI that does the work itself. That's the difference. Now, if you are a leader, you are probably asking, what does this mean for my business? It means the nature of work is changing fast. You are not just managing people anymore. You will soon be managing teams of AI agents alongside people. And that creates new questions. What tasks should I delegate to agents? How do I monitor what they are doing? What's the ROI of replacing manual processes with digital labor? How do I trust an agent to follow the rules? Now, these are strategic questions. They are not about choosing a tech vendor. They are about reimagining your operations. Agentic AI is not a plugin. It is truly a paradigm shift. So let's be clear. Agentic AI is not magic, and not every product that uses the word agent is truly autonomous. Some tools are just fancy wrapper around chatbots. Others overpromise and underdeliver. So here's how to spot the real thing. Number 1, goal-oriented. Real agents operate towards clear objectives, not just prompts. Number 2, multi-step capability. They can plan and execute sequences, not just single actions. Number 3, tool use. They can't just talk. They integrate with APIs, databases, and other softwares. Number 4, statefulness. They remember what's happened so that they can adjust, retry, and even optimize. And number 5, autonomy. They don't wait for you to tell them every step. They act on initiative, within the boundaries you have set. If a product checks all of these boxes, it is definitely worth a deeper look. So now let's quickly zoom out. Why is everyone talking about agentic AI now? Because the tech has finally caught up. Large language models gave us reasoning. Open APIs gave us access. Now businesses are realizing they can build autonomous workflows, not just dashboards. And here's the payoff: faster operations, lower costs, 24/7 execution, and in some cases, entirely new business model. Imagine deploying 50 AI agents for the cost of one employee. Not science fiction, already happening in legal, research, and real estate. And this isn't just for startups. Salesforce launched its agent platform in 2024. Microsoft is embedding agents into Office and Teams. Google's Gemini 2.0 is built for what they call the agentic era. This is where the world is going. So, how do you begin? If you are curious, here is what I recommend starting. Number one, pick one process in your business that is repetitive but rule-based. Number two, ask yourself, if an employee could do it with access to tools and instructions, could an agent do the same? Number three, pilot a solution. Test one agent in one workflow. Number four, measure the result. Not just speed, but reliability, cost, and satisfaction. Number five, build governance from the start. Who supervises the agent, how it logs its actions, and what it can and can't do. You don't need to launch an army of agents on day one. Start small, but start deliberately, because soon your competitors will have digital workers on their teams, and they will be moving faster with lower overhead and 24/7 execution. Agentic AI is not about replacing everyone. It is about scaling capability. It is about delegating to digital workers what doesn't need to be done manually anymore. So your human team can focus on what truly matters. If you understand this now, you will be ahead of the curve, and that curve is coming very fast. I am Akhil, and this is the Agentic AI series. And if this is your first time hearing about agentic software, it won't be your last. We will see you in the next episode.